I've been in this house 4.5 years now, and in that time I've done lots of bits to improve it. But there's been something that's annoyed me from day one, and I've never gotten around to it. It's this windowsill with these fantastic 90s coloured tiles. If that's not hideous enough, they're also damaged. I hadn't known what to do with it until I actually measured it. It's 235 centimetres long. So just a little shorter than a standard length of construction timber. So why don't I make a wooden shelf to cover this? That'd be a cheap, quick and easy fix. And I can make it so it ties in with the existing shelves I've already got in the kitchen. I ordered 4 bits of 3x2 to do this. It costs well under £20. These are going to need laminating together so they're wide enough for the windowsill. Because this is just construction timber, it needs cleaning up. So I'm going to run it through the thicknesser. And this is where my new cart's going to come in handy as it's so long. I've waited for the glue to dry on this so we can get the clamps off and get it all put through the thicknesser. That board's the thickness I need it to be now, but it's too wide. So again, with the door open, because it's so long, I'm going to get a strip ripped off it. These 2 bits of wood I'm now going to get put back together, but instead of putting it on the end, I'm going to put it on the edge. So we've got a little lip that's going to go over and hide all that nastiness on the windowsill. So I'm going to get some glue, run along here and get it clamped into place. Now I'm going to leave this all to dry now. I put it all through the thicknesser to remove those rounded off corners. Now I'm thinking it all looks a bit on the square side. I have though some round over bits, and I can get one of these put in and run along the front edge. I left this all to dry, so now I can get these clamps off and run the router along the edge. I left this longer than I needed on purpose, so now I can trim the edges off, or the ends off, and make it all neat. Before I go any further, time to do the most boring bit, give it all a sand down. I want this to tie in with the shelves I have in the kitchen. So I painted them with this Spirit wood dye in a medium oak. So I'm going to do the same with this. I want to seal this now, so I'm going to use some of this Baratine Armour Flex worktop oil. I'm amazed I've got any of this left because I used it to do 2 coats on my mum's work surfaces. I also did my knife racks with it, so a little definitely goes a long way. Obviously by the window it's going to be a moist environment, kitchens are in general, and I'm putting plant pots on it, so something that's water repellent I think is what's needed. Right, let's see if my measurements are correct and this is actually going to fit into place. There, that was a quick, easy and cheap fix. If I ever come to actually retile the kitchen, I can sort it out, but for now, that's looking a lot better. I'm pleased with that, and as it all ties in with my existing shelving that I did a few years ago, it looks like it's always been here. Nice, easy fix. So thanks for watching everyone, thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.